Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how to make Minecraft blocks in Blender, and it's all about UV editing and texture adding to the blocks, and let's go in. First I am adding a cube, and now I'm going to the shading part. Now I'm going to click on the new and add texture, image texture, and I'm going to connect this color with the base color, and I'm going to open the texture I want. And as you can see, it's blurred and it's not that much pixelated. Now, as you can see, it's selected with linear. Now I'm going to select the closest, and now it's pixelated. Now I'm going to UV editing. Now at the starting it will be like this. Now I'm going to scale it up. And now you can see that the magma block is nice, and now I'm going to make another block. And again I'm going to shading, new, add node, textures, image textures, color to base color, linear to closest, open. Now I added a dirt block, and now I'm going to the UV editing mode. Now scale this up, bring it down, and you can see the dirt block is there. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.